Ever wonder what that popping sound is when you crack your knuckles? It's not your bones rubbing together. Inside your joints is a fluid called synovial fluid, packed with dissolved gases like oxygen and nitrogen. When you crack your knuckle, you stretch the joint and lower the pressure inside. This causes the gases to suddenly form a bubble. That bubble instantly collapses. The pop you hear is literally a gas bubble imploding inside your finger. And no, this doesn't cause arthritis. It just takes 20 minutes for the gases to dissolve back, which is why you can't crack the same knuckle twice in a row.